What's up, guys? It's Miko. Today I'm going to be doing a video showing you how to change your cabin air filter on a 2017 Lexus IS 350. So first you want to go to the passenger side and get right into your glove compartment. I'm going to turn the flash on so you guys have better lighting. Alright, so once you're in the car, you're going to open the glove compartment. This little tray right here moves up and down. You're going to wiggle it out. Just like one little clip holding it in. Not even much of a clip. And then that's going to be your cabin air filter access. You're going to want to take this clip out just like that. Alright, so I got this side unclipped. Just want to take your finger right here, pull this out, and the whole thing comes out. There you go. And damn, that's a little dirty. So it's a good habit to get into changing these, I don't know, every 5, 10, 15,000 miles, whatever works best for you. But as you can see, there's a lot of dirt trapped in here. And whenever you're riding in the car, you're literally just breathing all this stuff in. So I'm gonna take this out. Simply, there's these little hatches right here holding it in. You're just gonna fold this together like a little accordion. There we go. Here's the new filter. You're gonna want this facing up, whichever way you can read it. Airflow means it's going down. And you're gonna put it in the same way you took the first one out, just like this. I'm gonna just put it in and then continue from there, but it's a little difficult with one hand. All right, once you have the new filter in the frame, it's just the same steps reversed. Just get it right into the same socket. Push it in all the way. I didn't hear a click, but I checked before. I know it's in all the way. Just gonna make sure it's not coming out. That's secure. You want to take the cover. There's 3 little things you gotta clip into up there. Just like that. Clip those 2 in. Last thing is the tray. Very simple. You're gonna want to lock into that thing first. And then those 2 right there. Like that. These you kind of want to push into there. And you're all set. Alright guys, very straightforward video. If it helped you out, like, comment, subscribe. I'm going to be doing a lot of things to the car, so stay tuned.